On Friday, Gianluca Di Marzio reported Cristiano agent were contact with Napoli a deal for the Manchester United star. It was also explained George Mendes could bring an offer from the Red Devil for Victor Osimhen, and his exit can help the super agent place his client at the serious side. The possibility was also reported by several others in Italy. Before Osimhen agent rolled out a negotiation with Manchester United and dismissed the possibility of the striker leaving the Netherlands club before the window closed. That has stopped report involving Ronaldo and the 33 years old Gianluca Di Marzio claim Mendes continues to force the Portugal international to Napoli, and then the former Lionel man who have been involved in the deal. Erik Ten Hag signed are keen to sign Antony, but have seen their last offer of 90 million euro rejected by Ajax. It needs to be seen whether they will improve their bid for the winger or decide to invest 100 million pounds or more on Osimhen. If their proposal for the Nigerian international exceeds 100 million euro, Napoli have given a sign of avalanche to part one teams. Despite this agent comment, Manchester United should also help them with the loan signing of Ronaldo and by contributing most, if not all, of his salary. As it is said, there is still negotiation and the Italian club have not received an official offer so far.